with God's confidence and with God's help, I gave you the greatest and the most priceless treasure, your life. And for 18 years, I have always been by your side, nourishing it, protecting it. And now, you will have your own life. Because you'll be in college, I will be there, you will be with your ate, you'll be staying in one condo, napuntahan rin siya sa ate, ano ka magluto? Hindi sila ako magluto, sa kanila pagkuhan, they will have no house help with them. So this is my treasure for you, the treasure of independence, with my supervision and guidance. Take it, use it, and be an empowered woman yourself. Okay? And I love you always.